Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto News. Today is the 14th of May 2026, and the top crypto news is as follows. We'll start with the Senate that confirmed Mr. Kevin as the new Fed chairman, and the man has very difficult work ahead of him, and you'll see at the end of the episode why. And from the new Fed chairman who officially took the position, we'll go to our companies and start with Metaplanet, which is the Japanese MicroStrategy that announced losses of $725 million from its Bitcoin investments. And beyond this company, even Consensys, the company that had started building Ethereum and now has MetaMask as its main product, is postponing its IPO to become a public company for the fall, because the market situation is not good at all. Not at all. And from the companies that aren't doing well in the market, we'll go to Upexi, a company that invests in Solana that announced net losses of $109 million from the market situation. Despite the market situation, though, the big players continue to enter crypto. And we'll go to Fidelity, which is an asset manager that manages $1 trillion in assets. That created its own tokenized fund with Moody's evaluation. This specific tokenized fund is called Fidelity USD Digital Liquidity Fund and is issued on blockchain infrastructure connected to Chainlink, and it will be implemented through the Sygnum Bank tokenization platform. So another good partnership for Chainlink, and more big players are entering crypto regardless of our market situation. And beyond this for Chainlink, I'll tell you that Myriad also trusted it. Myriad is a prediction market, something like Polymarket, and it has fully adopted Chainlink as its main oracle platform to feed the prediction market with prices from Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and future real-world assets. So another good partnership for Chainlink, obviously. Moving now to our currencies, I want to go to Anthropic Pre stock, which has seen a 24% decrease on the 7-day chart, but also the OpenAI Pre stock that has seen its price drop 36% on the 7-day chart. And the reason is because these currencies are illegal, as the two companies I mentioned came out and declared that the transfer of private shares to special purpose vehicles supported by tokens is invalid because any such move requires approval from the company's board of directors. And since this hasn't happened, that's why these currencies had this drop. We'll stay with Anthropic specifically, but I'll first take you to Bitcoin's price. Right now it stands at $79,000 and has reached $78,000. And we have two main reasons why Bitcoin's price is at these levels. The first is that a user on X said that Claude AI helped him break into a lost Bitcoin wallet. Specifically, a thread on X claims that Anthropic's Claude AI artificial intelligence helped recover a lost Bitcoin wallet worth approximately $400,000. This specific post went mega viral with over 10 million views. Very significant, especially since this content dealt with crypto. Also, in the investigations that were done, a recovery from August 2023 was made indicating the wallet was locked since 2015. Blockchain data really shows that the following address hadn't moved funds from 2015 until today. This address here indeed appears to show that money hadn't been moved since 2015. First, I want to tell you that he didn't use the wallet on his computer. He pressed two buttons on the cloud and it broke his passwords. What is speculated, because this isn't certain either, is that the cloud helped analyze encrypted wallet files. As a result, the person was able to find his way to break the passwords in his wallet. Nevertheless, what I told you, even this here, how it happened, are speculations because there isn't enough evidence that things actually happened this way. Nevertheless, because as I've said in crypto news, everyone should expect AI to come faster than quantum computers, to start damaging the crypto market, and markets move on emotions. Such a viral post caused Bitcoin's price to retreat. Nevertheless, this is one reason. The second reason is that the core PPI year over year came out, which I had told you about literally in the previous crypto news episode. The previous figure was 3.7%, and now it has come to 4.4%. So these are signs that inflation continues to be strong in America, and in 4 days, when there will be the Fed meeting, we already have 90 8% chances that there will be no interest rate cuts. In fact, some say that in the coming months, this might make the Fed raise interest rates. Without this always being certain, that wraps up the top news for crypto today. Is the 14th of May 2026. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.